Shout if you want shout. Oh God.
Now money be fine, but
What happened this one? Money be fine, but now show you never fine. I don't know when they want to resemble. Because Nigeria is very funny. I tell you the truth. I'm not too young to run. Now who go pursue me? I never see. He said, what do you do? I said, I'm a comedian. Then he asked me, what do they do? I said, I would sell bullets for police. I said, carry on. He said, consult with that. He said, I one our customer. And then they said, well, you know, so what would they do this show? The guy will do the voiceover, do one small error. Or the gym will come the regular 5,000, PR 25,000, table 1 million, then table for 10. Instead of 2 million, because it's 2 billion. Now why you go and call me? He said, now I want to buy ticket to your show. I don't even know you, but you are very funny. I say, how? He said, you comedian that can sell table 2 billion. That joke is too funny. Well, this shocked me. Now one guy called me. He said, hello, I have 2 billion table. Is it available? I saw guys 2 million. He said, now the price whether I want to one pay. Now the man said, can you deliver tickets? I say yes. Now the guy sent me address. Now I see 15A, I walk away, Ikoyi. When I Google them, now EFCC office. Now me call the man, that table don't finish. The show don't pass, it don't pass. Do you know that during the former era, if you get big belly, you dey feed well. Now if you get big belly, you are fed up. The way Nigerians dey beg now, somebody go greet you. They go answer greet you now because they fear you because where you go there. One guy from my estate, the guy they greet, he go just see me. No name, he never call me. He go just shout, my king. I go dash the guy small thing. Another guy they come out, my president. No name, the guy. I come one, the guy shout, my helper. One day they come before the guy talk, now shouts, my God. The guy said for this small thing. And you know the places are going as a young man, where you go not see your life remain one back. Now when you go ask a blind girl out on a date, blind girl comes say, I'm sorry, I'm seeing someone else. You know say that's that problem. You know say girls can cough. Girl will not like you, not like you, girl will like you. Once girl won't cough you, no time when you fix the date where you go walk. One guy don't want to go date with a girl. Now he say, can we see on Saturday evening? Now the girl say, I will have headache that day. I will have headache. I just said normally, the normal African woman don't ask for too much. Once they love you, anyhow we go on, you do alright. Those days from Jos, stroke go Jos, no better place to carry back go. You can't go where the trip for. Then you get to take me out. We look, nowhere to go. Now carry and go zoo. As we enter the zoo, the rather not say you can't love you, You can't love you. Zoo will be like Dubai. As we enter the zoo, you get on the form like so we enter better place. We just a different thing, just a pass. As we did pass, what do they call it? Snake pass. He said, oh, snake. Zebra pass. He said, oh, zebra. What do you kill me when crocodile pass? Then he gets shot, oh my God, Lacoste. Now if you say house pass, you go shout at Florida. And Nigerian girls now, the way the economy dey, all the girls, they love their self-employed. Only this Snake Island you go meet them. So what do you do for a living? So I live on the island. They call their Swiss company with that. And when they go, where workers they go strike, when they follow. Yes, and then they will call you. They will call you and say they miss you. Now lie, now hustle. Don't fall for that trap. One day call me one day. He said, Kapala, I don't understand what you're doing anymore. When are we seeing now? I said, I beg, I'm not around. 2 days later, he called me. That's how the other time he said you were not around. I said, I'm still not around. The girl don't worry me. I just find where I go to charge him. Now I say, you know, he said, where are you now? I said, I'm in my friend's house. He said, does it mean I can come there now? I said, is that our friend? She said, it doesn't matter, come on. You see, don't do me. To discharge him, finally. Now I said, baby, you know what? I just want to tell you the truth. The reason I've been avoiding you is because I don't have money. Then you guys say, let me just come now. At least let me know somebody's owing me. One man carry one girl one day. But I got it. Their room door opposite my own. I hear my cleaning on my left ear. My kidney was alert. Two of them. I told you here, for middle of the night, because for the other room, who are they? Now wall. You know, God is my holy character, so who are us now? Shakara, you will not okay, no. So the hotel got, let's assume it's on a wall like this. So my bed did this wall. Their own did this wall from the other side. So middle of night, I thought they had hand just the move. So I heard the guy come through first. Baby, what are you looking for? And the man replied, something that will benefit you. Meanwhile, I said the guy they do the man, so who we in there? He says something that will benefit you. And the man collect Bible, carry something, begin sign. I shocked. As the girl go deep and the man carry phone, call a lawyer. He said, hello, I want to change my next of kin. The lawyer says, sir, by this time, are you under duress? He says, is it your duress? I want to change my next of kin. And the lawyer said, okay, to who, sir? Now he says, to, what's that your name again? The girl says, Sandra. He says, Sandra. Lawyer asks him, Sandra who? Sandra. Don't worry, put Sandra suck away. Now, which kid and Tiwana, I don't take over the internet. Everywhere still. And today we say, and I have to go there, the still will go. You know how many still we don't see? I'm going to try to with still. And I don't imagine say two of them and they do this still thing. They can't get it. You know something when they talk like they put still inside. Maybe it's one on Facebook. When they wait for whiskey. After 30 minutes, now you call them. Squeezy, are you still coming? And that one goes, don't be stupid, don't be. Now, and they look to one out in the phone and say, innocent. Let you go, no sir, don't get sense. Now, I need to watch it for news. Mexico, right? Say my pikin, no take care of our pikin. But then, go, no say, and the press. No, that's what our people go to school. Like, I mean, you catch a movie? Two things. One, why the people? Who tell them where they go? Are we complaining? Two, they come here all those 1700, 1800, 1900, when we're not ready. They can't carry our forefathers. Now, when we're not ready. You go to chambers, you go that's one stupid question. What are you going to do in the US? You will go carry somebody for I don't know say the kid will find out. That's why you want what they do. They bring homosexual, we quiet, you don't concern us. Where you boys from America vex. And when they start to do transgender, begin turn man to woman. Igbo boys begin suspect all the girls from America. Any girl wey go man stop, first way go near am, follow come or converted. The girl will say follow come, which year. Nothing is gonna bring come here where they laugh. See, we get one thing where they one time, for example, they say the CD, they say the Illuminati. Everywhere where they go, they say the CD, they say. So when you go man don't they see the thing, Illuminati, you don't know one. Now ask your friend, say, this Illuminati, get you out with it. And after I say, I want to say if you join, you go get money. Now you go ask her, so who they give what you know? Reliable source. The kind of the way to this country now. If Illuminati come this country, then when I go get Illuminati join the going to see transfer. Looking for sleep, you don't see sleep. I recommend to you today, read Jehovah's Witness book Awake. If you see snow. One of my friends read Awake, enter coma. I mean, the first one to us about ginger eating. The other time I went to Russia. I was in Russia during the World Cup. Very interesting. Very interesting. Now, Russia now knows Nigerians in horse too. Do you know that as soon as we enter Russia, 2 hours later, 2,000 Nigerians rob us? They begin arrest Nigerians, So we wake up for show. Because we will be Nigerians and we will come advice. This is all this is no good. As I read, I see over 2,000 people gather. Now ask one man, say, this Russia where you don't come now. Where you go? Where you want to go? You say you want to go Estonia. I saw where be that. He say I'm not a member, but I know it's around. Just want somewhere different. I know say Russia big. The boys don't they run since 4 days. Any border where they come out, another state. Any border where they come out, another state. After 4 days, now they go meet immigration. I beg one of you go bus. I just stadium. When Nigeria lost to Argentina, God, that match was so heartbreaking. I don't tell you when Nigeria man first you go, you're going to do like say now you overknow everything. As we reach Russia, one time we don't face us land. I just say don't care, I don't know say it just cross. I just see charger, I want price charger. You say no, don't do that, don't do that. What is surprise? They don't know the price. That's okay. When I'm like saying, I'm in the hurry. I say, man, go change money for a book. You say, no. Those are the look, you don't like that. Where am I saying the boy that idiot? Now when I greet one woman, good morning. You say, no, I said, God that fire you, good morning, are the same everywhere. I just stadium. When we lost to Argentina, anything what they tell you now, Google now. That stadium was 68,000 capacity.
Are you serious?
Thunder fire you. That stadium, 68,000 capacity. Nigerians were only 3,000. Maybe because we don't get ticket. Nigerians in this stadium begin sell their ticket for $400. I know that when you reach stadium, you get one big TV with that side. As I come, I thought they have 400. Now go meet one guy say, you don't travel come all the way from Nigeria. Come Russia, reach stadium. You know when we watch this match live? And the guy asked me, this one did they show you not dead? I mean when they score here not 2-0 for you. How come when they want to collect $400 and tell me rubbish? Hold on. So when Victor Moses scored that goal, Victor Moses assist. You know so when Messi score, as Messi score, Messi just slide. Go to Argentina, he say. When Victor score, that penalty, as he score, go out. Because they find us. As you know, I don't think viewers at home, man. Now the referee will throw that match, I'm sorry for my brother. As that referee will give us that last minute penalty. That referee had 709 followers before that match. Immediately the match ended, he get 90,000. For a man, it is a people love him. You know say Nigerians call Kosa. Oh, if you see Kos, somebody can look at the referee, may that whistle burn your mouth. May thunder fire all the man used to blow whistle. When you give me, one get don't comment to you another. Jesus, do your thing. I see bathroom slippers. As I want job, one guy say, hey, I first it up. I said, when the slippers believe, he said, the spirit is here now. My friend, come on, go. Nigeria is crazy. I say it every now and then. I speak the truth. I fear nobody. Wait, we see that like, this country, to me, Nigeria don't run off. Because I hope you know that under this Buhari era, eraser is now 18 naira, so you can't afford to make mistakes, it's expensive. Oh, I teach you, listen! Skip! Listen! You want skip? Look at Lai Mohammed. You gonna threaten Israel? Nnamdi Kanu. We go bomb them immediately. I wrote letter to Israel. He's not speaking for us. How will we send them? Somebody will, and they talk this in every time. They will get small opportunity. You want one man talk, you know talk. Who owns jollof rice? Simple thing. Whether in Nigeria or not, put our jollof rice on the global map. You can't give anything. Since that day, I know the two throws that man. Because the fear Sana who gets a decline, they will say now Hong Kong. My friend, where they drive Uber, carry one woman one day. You know say the woman don't take from America. And so the woman and the pikin enter one shop. As they enter the shop, the pikin dey misbehave. He follow them. The woman don't know the pikin one door. Pikin begin cry. So as they enter the motor back, the woman come to apologize. No, baby, sorry. No, you made me do this. I've been looking for you. What you don't beg 2 hours. Until pay my friend. Now you must break. Clever. Madam, calm down. I'm spoiler. Calm down. When we smoke, your man will beat you, don't try now. You know, if your man will beat you 2 weeks, you know that they're comfortable. Because they feel like saying the way they eventually beat you, you feel that. Our mothers, they beat us for no reason. I don't know whether they all they bored. For nothing. I see how your mama they waka. You just waka pass and go front. You don't say normally, or your mama don't go front, you day back. As you just come back, look you. The one where they keep me, and that way to say, as she hold you for hand, you can't go front. You can just hold your game. That was the hotel. And the hotel, they know they are. When I perform for which person shows that one of these shows where they spray me, say what's baby or who? After the show they spray me. Big money, like almost anyway, EFCC broke down, man don't talk about it. Big money, one guy did there because he want to spray me dollars. That guy because he didn't have white money. Say normally if I hail him nothing. Say bro, when are you going to do your own thing? You're very funny. If I have my opinion, you're the funniest. Do something. Just call me. Anyway, my gossip can say never see my missed call chance. A lot of men will support me. When I start this project, by the way, this is a hotel. Anyway, I will show this. Go there is the best. God bless the go there. Don't leave the go there. Oh boy, this is a hotel. Hey God, that's where they rule this hotel. Because this is my country. I don't even know what's at the top now. You not come book this hall before. All those Igbo boys where they serve people for 7 years. The amount of this hall, you divide it into 10. Take settle one. This hall. I don't even, they call the people like say, because now when the show don't come like say, if I know it's happening, I don't want to do it again when they give my money. No. I'm very angry. One man don't hide. And the man staggered. Enter restroom. I said, and somebody said, sir, this is for the ladies. After 5 minutes, he staggered away. The same place, I said, sir, this is for the ladies. The guy go back. After the last minute, the guy staggered away. They said, sir, this is for the ladies. The guy said, yes, even this one too is for the ladies. Let us write this in the world. One guy, they were carrying the papa. Now his father told us, in this life, avoid the women. Avoid the women. All the great men you know in this life, women kill them. Something they give them profile. As 2 of them they walk out, one lady called the pass. If you see hips, who be Shakira? As the man see hips forearm to buttress the point, now he tap in song. No! This is what I'm telling you about. This is what killed all the great men you know. Then the guy looked the father. In that case, I want to die a great man. Let this thing kill me. And you know, say men, you men there, anywhere just come. Then they say, oh, if you lick line, add small coke, put sugar, but it will last too. Where they play competition for Agungi there, that stadium, be near your main house. Now there we gather over 2,000 voices. One guy don't come. So, I don't discover one. They say, wait, say if one day you don't take watermelon. 2 days later, watermelon is scarce for them. If you want to buy fruit salad, watermelon, don't you know? One guy don't find watermelon, you don't see. Now the guy buy melon. So when they will drink water. People now, when they worship God, they get emotional. I just want to be where you are, dwelling daily in your presence. I don't want to worship from afar. I just want to be with you. Emotional things, our own. Because problems everywhere. Now we start to worship God. Those days, we dey worship. Now, from that of come now, sing one bad song. Everybody will join. Lord, you reign. Ever you're the same. I got my Turuki mama, the church will say. You lifted me, gave me a song. I got my Turuki mama, the church will say. But those days, my life, my question and answer, you realize our teacher day, all of us are students. You go ask us 2 big questions, we will reply. Will you be ready when the Lord shall come? Answer. After this one, you go ask another question. What shall we do today? After this one, another question, they come. Who is better than Jehovah, Lord divine? Brother, are you a winner? Then the one sing one song, come pretend and say they don't want to ask you questions. The question they waiting for front of you. You got since I was born and now I am getting old. Question, listen brother, have you seen it? Must we answer question? You must have a backup. Even the president, they do business. His president, his minister. One cannot save you. That's why people boys don't prepare. Abana the only place where you go now, somebody go open hospital, open mortuary. If you don't live, you go die. The money will still come to round. And who don't go buy medicine for MedPlus before? MedPlus will sell medicine for you like say that you cause a problem. People say the shop rents not in here, so they just want. Now my guy don't go MedPlus. I say please, I want something for Qatar. And the guy go come back. He said 14,008. Now answer, how much for catastrophe? To scatter the full Oshodi, how much? Fakir boys do 5. Oshodi don't scatter. Finish. They are telling me rubbish. Now, I want to talk to the government. If you never tire you don't tire me. Indomie. When I perform, I want to show Indomie. When I don't distract these people, I will get problems, you know. But listen, gentlemen, one of the best brands. These days they've been supporting what we do. We support comedy back to back. Because if people like this don't support us, after this show I will visit all of them. We will donate the money. We're not clap for Indomie, we're not clap for Indomie. I'm going to do some giveaways for Indomie. For Indomie, this Indomie, I don't know Nigeria situation. No size when they never carry Indomie go. As they hungry they come, They say bring 2 minutes instant noodles. As we did, as I say the hungry now, now they bring super pack. As I did, they say the hungry one, now they bring hungry one size. As I did, they say the hungry one, now they bring Indomie belly food. Now here we go there, they go bring Indomie remain for me. Yeah. So since now by experience, myself I don't decide this 2019, anybody will go rule this country, you will show us where not rule before. Now, you will show us where not rule before. You don't understand? Crazy. go to other countries. Oh, God. You know why? They no sponsor. Now, maybe they do. When I confused, so am I. As in Nigeria, the confusion everywhere. Everybody got confused. Look at Buhari go on United Nations meeting. That's how Puerto Rico get flood problem. Now they say there's a problem, they need to donate money to help Puerto Rico. And Buhari said, okay, what is the problem? And they said, look at it, children are suffering. No food, no water, there's flood everywhere, they don't have where to stay. And Buhari repeat them. So what exactly is the problem? Because if I had they cheat us. This problem don't they exist. Because when Buhari they travel and they feel, say 2019 election, Buhari will name China. Election will finish. We dey beg everybody now, get PVC. You dey do like say e no concern you. For your mind, you be big boy.